Assalamualaikum, I'm Nushaira binti Manzulan, A19A0623 for introduction based on the topic of our research. The buying and selling of goods or service directly on social media is known as a social commerce. Social commerce involves the showcasing or sale of product or service directly through one or more social platforms. The problem statement is increasingly consumers are switching from e-commerce to social commerce, which is causing a shift in the way they shop online and who are share their experience of shopping online. The research question is the specific question that we aim to answer. We did a structural literature review to gain a better understanding to how consumer impact social commerce participation. The project aims to understand more about the influence of consumer in social commerce participation at the growing nowadays. One of the objectives is to achieve customer engagement through a social channel that are activated to connect consumers to a business through a two-way communication.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Shafiza Hazira binti Muhammad Ghani and my metric number is A19A0621. Okay, I will present about the literature review. In this chapter, I will describe the independent and dependent variables, where the independent variables are factors such as trust, social commerce components, price, perceived risk, and company reputation that influence consumer buying behavior. The relationship between trust and consumer buying behavior is trust have positive relationship to buying behavior and customer satisfaction. Trust have a role as a safety net, helping customer to make a decision by minimizing uncertainty and risk. Okay, the insecurity about the longevity of delivery as well as the inability to test service before actual use makes trust a valuable decision factor for customer service. In addition, the relationship between social commerce component and consumer buying behavior. Okay, social commerce component includes social media, social shopping, ratings and reviews, recommendation and referral, and online social communities and forums in which information is produced and shared. Okay, this will make it easier for consumer to compare and choose products that have good ratings and reviews, as well as have confidence that the product to be purchased have good quality. Next, the relationship between company reputation and consumer buying behavior. A good company reputation help improve a company's sales performance and its market share, as well as contributes to the development of loyal and trustworthy relationship with customer. Okay, customers are also expected to see companies with a high reputation as having developed and implemented high quality products and services. Okay, company with a high reputation will increase positive word of mouth, while companies with a low reputation may experience negative word of mouth. Company reputation is seen as an attitude that has a direct impact on the intention to perform a particular behavior. Okay, the more positive the company's reputation, the higher the customer buying intention. Okay, that's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter to continue the presentation. Okay, thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nusha Zuna bint Harun. My metric number is A19A0636. I will continue my part, which is independent variable 4 and dependent variable, which is relationship between perceived usefulness and consumer buying behavior. There are IV5 and dependent variable, which is relationship between price and consumer buying behavior. Furthermore, my group member was decided to use a conceptual framework to explain on the independent variables and dependent variables that we use in these studies.
For the research design and method, we use a quantitative research method. Quantitative method will be used to complete this project and to obtain a consumer view on the social influence of commerce. For method and sources, we prepare a questionnaire based on a closed-ended question that have a 5 section include a demographic. For data collection, we rely on secondary sources such as journal paper, formal literature review, and related academic book. For sampling, we employ the probability sampling process for the sampling technique, which is quite similar to quantitative research. It's based on the assumption that every member of population have an equal chance of being chosen as a sample. For analysis plan, we do this by asking more precise survey questions to get a better understanding of the answer. By creating a survey question, we can more precisely divide the pool of respondents and compare opinion among different demographic groups.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurzakia binti Muhammad Yahya. My matrix number A19B062. For practical implication, the goal of this study was looking for the element that influence people's willingness to participate in social commerce. By looking for related papers and publications that have previously conducted study with a focus on technique that educate us for all practical purpose as established by our individual goal and objective. For contribution to knowledge, from study revealed that identifying characteristics that influence customer participation in social commerce address a variety of issues related to this topic. Based on the data, we believe that more research is required to stretch the domain of study. We should also learn more about e-commerce platform. As a result, we may have a comprehensive understanding of consumer behavior.